Hello everyone, it's Mohamed Etewy and welcome again. This video is a task of the training program in Moodle Certified Trainer. I'm going to show you a demonstration of a class I have created to train 12th grade teachers on how to provide support and prepare students for final exams. I have changed the class settings so that none of its members could post or comment on the main class stream, so that the main class stream includes only the tasks that I want members to carry out logically and sequentially according to the training agenda. All tasks contain the activities and links to sites and videos supporting them during the training course. I set up 3 small groups in which trainees communicate and share their activities. All members are added by default to the small groups. Acquaintance group, in which the trainees present himself, his experiences, his interests, and the precedent of his work. The discussion group, in which the trainee discuss the training topics. The Share Our Work group, in which trainees share and comment on each other. Here in the Folders section, I share the folder containing resources that trainees might need during the course. Activities and tasks were varied between topics to read, quizzes, and assignments. The duration of the course is 3 days, with a total of 6 hours of training asynchronous. Thanks.